Okay, good morning, guys. Once again, another video updating you on today's price of the Bitcoin. I'm going to go through what we've been watching the last couple of days with the inverse head and shoulders. And I'm going to go through a couple of other charts with you guys. I'm going to go through what the EMAs are telling me on the 1 hour chart. I'm also going to tell you about the falling wedge that is currently happening now, whether it's a bullish or a continuation pattern now. I'll explain the reasons in between and what to watch for. And also some concerning factors on the Bitcoin dominance chart, where the price is going, and on the dominance chart, the percentage wise, and as opposed to what the Bitcoin price is doing now at the moment. Then also just an update on the gravestone doji. Don't know if you guys know about this candlestick pattern. It is a very powerful, especially on the 6 month, a trend reversal pattern when it happens at the end of an upward trend, at least for 6 months. Yeah, this is a 6 month chart. Okay, guys, so let's get back into this chart over here. You've been following my 2 videos regarding the potential breakout of the inverse head and shoulders, which is a bullish momentum breakout. But unfortunately, as I said in the previous video to this, that we will need to break and we need to go above the previous high. Yes, okay, we did go slightly above the previous high, but unfortunately with no volume that came in, there was virtually no volume, guys, virtually no volume. You want to be seeing much more volume, like you're seeing the volume over here, okay, or even over there, or even this area over here. So there was virtually absolutely no volume. Okay, so that's why I didn't open up any trade. I was considering opening up a trade in this side here, but once again I didn't see any volume coming in. Okay, and then I also saw on the divergence, this is a divergence indicator that appears on your chart as well. You don't have to have the oscillators down below. It just it correlates the information from the actual oscillators there. So there, the MACD, the momentum, OBV, stock, DIOSC, and the MFI, we got a divergence from the section to the top here. Okay, so I entered into a trade around about, let me see, 34,794, and I'm currently 34% in the green. Okay, 34% up. Okay, I did a small position, not a huge position, on a 10x on a USDT BTC pair on Binance, because I'm a little bit wary of this trade at the moment. Okay, so it is a bit of a risky trade, but we have broken support over here, which is the upward trending, downwards trending support line, resistance line. Now it's going to be resistance, and there was support, and now it's broken down, so now it's going to be resistance, and we've broken down. We're looking to go down further. Okay, so let me just clear up these guys here so you can see exactly what's going on. I'm just going to close all of this because this is an invalidated pattern now. I have drawn a new upward sloping trend line, but unfortunately that now has been broken. As you can see, there was a sort of a triangle forming there, okay, but unfortunately we broke up out of this triangle, okay, and then we came back down. Okay, so we just got to keep watching on that side, so to see what happens. As I said before, I am in a trade, and I just want to go through a couple of more charts with you guys now at the moment. Where I'm seeing this going now, we could possibly once again, you see my other inverse, head and shoulders pattern. It's I'll put it in the description down below, where we were going to form, it looked like we were going to form, but then we had an extended M pattern forming as well. But now we've got one here again. We've got a left part of the M, and we've got the right part of the M. And now we're looking to break down. Okay, so now this is the neckline of the M pattern over here, okay, and we're looking to break down. So that neckline of the pattern here, which could be in the region of, depending of what you see, you could see this little M pattern here, that little M over there, or you can see the bigger M. Okay, it all depends where the target be. You could probably have a target over here for the smaller M, or we could have a bigger, larger target around about this section over here, probably around about over here. Okay, so that's your bearish target for the immediate short term. Remember, we've got the downward sloping trend lines, axis support, and plus this one here, which is our neckline over here, which has come all the way from this area over here. Okay, we just acted as support each time. Okay, so we bounced there, we got a touch there, we got a touch there, we got a touch there, we broke through and came back out, and we got another touch there. Let's hope we can get another touch over here. Okay, let's just clear this chart up for you guys, so you guys a little bit easier to see. Alright, so this is what's going to be happening now in the immediate short term for the trade. Okay, so now I'm just going to go quickly over to the other charts on the EMAs. Okay, and what I'm seeing here now at the moment, as you can see, we've getting there. I'll click on there so you can see. So you're getting the red one, which is the 200 MA, and we got the orange one, was the 21, only the 200 EMA. They are looking to cross. Now, whenever these are crossing, the red is crossing below the orange. It is a signal saying that we're possibly going further up. Okay, now why I'm saying that is because over here, we have got a cross over there. The orange is on top, and then we signaled we're going up. So we did go up. Okay, but then we got a cross again, and we came back down. Now what's happening with the price? We're coming back down. So what's going to happen is probably this. The red is going to go down like that, and we are going to miss the cross, and we're going to come down. So the band in between is going to probably end up getting wider and wider. That's what we've got to look out for, and we've got to watch. Further on now, I mean, we scroll out and we have a look-see, and we're in a complete downtrend, guys. I mean, look at what happened. This is what we had, 64. So we're going down and we're going down and we're completely going down all the time. I'm going to go over to the daily chart. I'm going to show you something here, which I am looking at. Oops, I hate it when it does that. I'm going to put up the CAMA cross. Okay, which is there. And then I'm just going to close everything else here, so you guys can see what exactly I am going to show you, especially on the daily chart, guys. All right. Here you go on the daily chart. We've got a cross. Now what this is the short moving average and a long period average. Okay, the short period moving average is a 50, and the long period moving average, which is the 100. Okay, so you got the MA and EMA, I think. Yeah. Long period moving average and short period moving average. I was joking there. Okay. All right. So this you can find on Tradingview. Okay. It is free. And let me scroll back. Let's look back. Whoopsie daisy. I don't know why I keep doing that. Okay. There we go. Each time we get these crosses, okay, even though it says sell over there and it says buy over here, okay, but I'm looking at the bigger picture here. Here we got, this is the COVID dip, okay, the correction that we had. Then we got a flip of the bands, the EMAs and the MAs, and we flipped and we carried on going up, okay. So now we've got a cross here. Now this band is getting wider and wider as the day goes past, and the hours go past, and the weeks go past, because the Bitcoin price is continually going down. Okay. I'm going to be bullish only when we get another flip. So when we get a green buy signal, and we get a flip of the EMAs on the daily chart, okay, daily time frame, that's when I know we are going bullish on the daily chart. Okay. At this price here now at the moment, we need to reach there. is a 39,000. Call it the 40,000. And the band on the top there at the top is 43,000. My target here for to be bullish and to come out of this bear market, current bear market that we are in, face it guys, is because we are bearish all the way through. We haven't been able to make a higher high. Okay, we've come up, we've come back down. We've come up and we go back down. We come up, we go back down. We haven't been able to come back down and then come up and come back down and then come up. No. Okay, so face it guys, this is what's in store for the Bitcoin price in the medium short term. So we need to make sure that we can profit off these trades, these ups and downs, because this is a large percentage rise here. Okay, all right, so I need to flip this, we need to flip this in order for us to go bullish, or for me to go bullish. Okay. All right, so now we're just going to quickly go to the next chart. This is a falling wedge pattern that we are seeing here now at the moment, guys. We've already had the falling wedge over here. Okay. Now, a falling wedge pattern is a continuation pattern, okay, formed when price bounces between two or more resistance lines. Okay, we had a bounce there. Okay. Two more downward sloping lines, converging trend lines. It is considered a bullish chart. Okay. If, I don't know why this keeps on happening. Hey, these speakers, I don't know. There must be a ghost in the speakers. Okay, anyway. And then maybe we get a breakout over there. But that didn't happen, so we got a breakdown. Okay. Now we're forming another wedge, downward sloping wedge, that we've broken in this section here. Okay. We didn't break, sorry, excuse me. We didn't break over there. Okay. And this line over there, and we got this line over here, which is our downward sloping wedge. Okay. So converging trend lines. So these are converging trend lines. Okay. So eventually, if I had to draw this down there, let me just continue these lines over here. So let's take this one where it actually broke down from. Oops. And let's have a look, see where they meet up. So we just extend it slightly there. Okay, so where the two converging downward sloping trend lines meet, there will be a possible breakout or a breakdown. Now, it is considered a bullish chart formation, but can indicate, now listen closely, it can indicate both a reversal and a continuation pattern, depending on where it appears in the trend. Okay. Now, on the bullish side, guys, let's pull out our volume here. Okay. On the bullish side, we are looking at the volume. Okay. The volume is decreasing. Okay. For a bullish breakout, the volume is decreasing. I just deleted everything there. Okay, the volume is decreasing, as you can see there now. Let me just make it wider for you guys so you can see clearly. Okay. So it is decreasing there. So now we're going to come down. We aren't able to break in there. This one is invalidated here now because we've tried to break that. This is a resistance. Okay. We possibly come back down, and we come back down, we go back up, we come back down, we go back up, we come back down. At the same time, the volume is decreasing all the time. And eventually, we get a breakout of volume, and then we get a breakout, a retest, and we go up. Okay. You guys understand that? Or what will happen is we get a continuation pattern and we break down. So we come back down. If this doesn't hold the third time, because remember guys, now we've got 1, 2, okay? Each time, the more time it touches the resistance line, okay, the weaker it gets. It's like keep on poking a pencil into a piece of paper continuously, and eventually that paper just falls to pieces. Okay, so if we do break down, then this is our support area, and that falls in line with this area. So we're looking at the 20 to 16,400 range. Okay, so we've got to be mindful and we keep with the current trends. This is how a trader makes their money. We don't trade bullish all the time. We don't trade bearish all the time. We react to price action. Okay, price action is key. A lot of people are sitting and waiting for the price to drop to sell their alts. I sold my alts around about here. Okay, 57,000K. I sold alts and I sold BTC into USDT or USDC, whatever I felt like. I've got a 50-50 split there because USDC is a better project. So USDC is doing a lot better in terms of project-wise. Okay, providing more services. Okay, so I'm waiting, and I'm continuing growing my USDT on Binance because I'm trading these little outbreaks. Trade up, I'm longing and I'm shorting. I'm longing and I'm shorting and I'm longing and I'm shorting. Okay, I longed that one and now I'm shorting this one. Okay. All right, guys. That is for now the falling wedge. Now, just what I'm concerned about now is on the Bitcoin dominance. Price is coming down. Okay, price is coming down on our chart, and at the same time, the Bitcoin dominance is going up. Okay, I've been watching it from here. We broke through, and then price is coming down, which is telling me that in the market, even though the percentage is going up, what's happening is leverage traders are shorting Bitcoin now at the moment. They are shorting Bitcoin now at the moment. Why? Because we are currently in a downtrend. Okay. Currently in a downtrend since we have been in the 16th of April. Okay. 16th of April, we have currently been in a downtrend, and we have gone from $65,000, and we are currently sitting at 34,824. Okay. All right, guys. So this is just a video there on my current trades, just to give you an update of what's happening in the market. I am concerned about that because yes, price goes up, and then the Bitcoin price flips, and then goes down. So exact opposite is now happening now in the market. Okay. Well, if Bitcoin is, the dominance is going up and the Bitcoin price is going up, yes, that's what we want to see, like we saw here. Okay. But now we've got the total opposite now. Our price was going up here in this section over there, yes. But then all of a sudden it flipped. And now Bitcoin dominance is going up, but now our price is coming down. Okay, so keep an eye on that. You got to keep watching that in the back of your mind. Always flip through to your chart and see. Okay, guys, I think that is about that. Oh yes, the gravestone doji. This is the last chart I quickly want to talk about, guys. Okay, I've spoken about this chart before. This is on a 6-month chart, guys. This is the Bitcoin US dollar 6-month index chart. Here you've got your upward sloping trend line. This is from the 1st of July 2010. We've got momentum going up continuously, guys. This is the upward sloping trend line. We haven't broken that yet, but what's concerning me in 5 days and 13 hours time, if the price continues to decrease and by the time this chart closes, this candle closes in 5 days and 13 hours time, closes between the 30K and 29K. Okay, $1,000 $30,000 and $29,000, and closes in that price range and opens up a new candle. This will be a confirmed gravestone doji, guys. Okay, so between there and there with a little wick, okay, Google it, gravestone doji. It's a trend reversal candlestick pattern, which only occurs at the top of an upward trend. Okay, so now the only support on the 6-month index chart is this support line over here. Right, which is a little bit scary. Okay, and that price is $14,000 a Bitcoin. Okay, so let's pray and hope that this doesn't play out and then price does eventually go back up. Okay, let's hope that we get our push up, okay, from this area, and then we can go push up again. Okay, but we need to do it before the 1st of July, guys. Before the 1st of July. So we are currently sitting, oh yeah, okay. Guys, yeah, okay, I'm just looking over here. This is the 1st of July here. Okay, this is where price is now. Something miraculously needs to happen for the price to go up, so we can stay out of this ballpark figure over here, the 30 and 29K. Otherwise, we are coming down. Okay, to possibly this level there, and there's the 14K level here. Okay, which is my bearish price target here. If we want to remove all this here, okay, because now this target is from there. Oops, this target is actually from this piece over there. So I'm just going to bring it down here and then smack bam. So if we hit, this is our target. Okay, let's just move this there, and that will be our target there. Okay, 15,000. Worst case scenario, 14,000. That's where you get our major support on the 6-month chart. Okay, guys, thank you very much, guys. If you like the content, please like and share. If you like, please, guys, it just brings the analytics happens on YouTube, and it just makes it more visible on YouTube and the web. And then obviously, please subscribe. And then if you want any more content, something that you're not happy with, or you need some understanding, some education on, just let me know in the comment section or on Twitter. All the descriptions will be down below, all the links, all my previous videos that I've showed, especially with the inverse head and shoulders that is happening now, and the continuation pattern that we could follow through on the extended M pattern once again that we had previously. Okay, so please subscribe, please share, please like, and I'll see you again either today or tomorrow. All right, guys, be safe and trade safe. Cheers.